In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom fields in Asana to organize your projects. To get started, open Asana and log into your workspace. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see the main navigation panel. In this panel, look for the section labeled Projects. Under that, you'll find a list of all the projects you have access to. Click on the specific project where you want to use custom fields. This will open the project in the main area of your dashboard. With your project open, turn your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a button labeled Customize. Go ahead and click that. When you do, a drawer will slide open from the right side of the screen. This panel is where you can control how your project is structured and displayed. Inside the Customize drawer, look for an Add drop-down button. Click on Add, and from the list of options that appears, choose Field. This will open a pop-up window where you can manage existing fields or create new ones. In this pop-up, make sure you're on the Create New tab. This is where you'll set up your custom field. Start by giving your field a clear and descriptive title. For example, you might call it Priority. This helps everyone on your team immediately understand what the field is for. Next, choose the field type. Click the field type drop-down and you'll see several options like text, number, single select, and more. For a priority field, single select works well. After selecting single select, you can enter your options such as low, medium, and high. These are just examples, so feel free to adapt them to match your team's workflow. Take a moment to configure any additional settings that appear, such as default values or color coding, to make the field easier to scan at a glance. You'll also have the option to add this new field to your workspace library. Enabling this makes the field reusable in other projects, which keeps things consistent across your organization. You can also choose to notify collaborators whenever the value of this field is changed, which can be helpful for important information like status or priority changes. When everything looks good, click the Create Field button at the bottom right of the pop-up. Once created, your new custom field will appear as a column in your project view. To update its value for any task, simply click the cell under that column for the task you want to modify, then select or enter the appropriate value. As you fill these in across your tasks, your project will become much more organized and easier to manage at a glance.